In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Kalshi account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in kalshi.com, press enter, or you can also open the Kalshi application if you want. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Kalshi. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the login methods over here. You can continue with Google or you can also continue with Apple or email. So simply click on the login method of your choice. Here I'm just going to log in with my email. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. After you do that, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Kalshi account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.